welcome to Indy. I heard you want a tour. So here we've got our lovely table and chairs. And then this way we have our hob, our sink, and we've got all our kitchen storage. We've got a cupboard up here for all of the pots, pans, plates, everything. Down here we've got a food cupboard. There's not too much going on in there at the moment. We need to do another shop. In here we have our bins and our cutlery drawer. Fridge again, looking a little bit bare. Freezer, which is very cool. And then here's the seating. This also, we have another mattress, so this goes into another small bed as well. These are our storage cupboards for all of our clothes. Wait, show you that 'cause it's a bit of a mess. And then if you come through to our lovely bathroom, so we've got our shower, and we've also got the sink, toilet, and we've got some storage in here and up there as well, with a nice little window. So it's got some air coming in. These are the bunk beds. So we haven't made them up because there's only 2 of us travelling at the moment. But here's the extra mattress that makes the bench bed. We've got 2 singles, and we have also got a ladder to get up and down, which works like this. Lovely little bunk bed, and it's really easy to get rid of. Then in here we've got another clothes cupboard. This is where we're keeping like our bags. You could fit backpacks or like a suitcase or whatever in here. Oh, I've just realised we actually have another cupboard that we've not been using. And then we have our front cab. So we've got 2 comfy seats with armrests, loads of space in the front. We've got a screen with Apple CarPlay and everything. And it is an automatic van, so no lovely gears. And then we have the master suite. Okay, so here is our lovely double bed. Come on up. There you go. So this is our van tour. This is the Indy Campers Comfort Family model. So it's like a motorhome model. We'll show you the outside quick now. And that's everything on the inside. We've got some storage in the back, table and chairs, and this is our lovely van.